Welding Skid Blueprints. Why should you order some off of hogonwelding.com? Because you can build your own skid. You can own the prints, and you can also duplicate the units. You can make horizontal or vertical ones. And when you get the prints, all you have to do is download them, and they'll actually come with the setup of how you should do the layout, how they should look, the measurements, and shows you how to actually make your own, and you can customize it. So that way you can make your unit like you want your unit. This is one of my welding skids that I use. I can take on and off my vehicle. I can kill several birds in one stone with my welding skid. In 2022, coming into 2023, I think it's very important for us to own our independence and build it. Hog on.